So in this video, we are going to do problems based on the shifting property of what Laplace transform. Suppose if a Laplace transform of f of t, function of t, is given as a function of s. So the Laplace transform of e power at into f of t will be what? Will be equal to f of s minus a. This is nothing but shifting property. Okay, so what we are multiplying here, you can observe that e power at has come, it is getting multiplied with f of t, so there is a shift in what? The f of s function. This is nothing but shifting property. We'll try to analyze using the problems. So let us take the first problem. So very simple problem here. So what is given? E power 2t into t square. So e power at has come and a function of t is also sitting. Now first of all, first step is to find the Laplace transform of whatever is sitting beside e power at. Function of t, first you find Laplace transform. Okay. So first step, we'll find first Laplace transform of t square. What is that? We know the formula, we have already discussed that Laplace transform of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1 whenever the n value is directly one integer, positive integer. Okay. So here n factorial, so I'll 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1, so it will be 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which is 2, divided by s power 3. So here you got Laplace transform of t square. Now I need what? I need Laplace transform of t square into e power 2t, right? So it will become 2 by s cube is there, right? But I won't be using s cube. What I have to do here, very important step, s has to be converted into s minus a. Very simple. What is a here? A is nothing but the e power at we are having, that a we have to take. So here it is 2. So s has to be converted into s minus 2. Okay. So here it will become, instead of s cube, it will be s minus 2 the whole cube. So this is the final answer. If you want, you can expand the denominator, but it is fine. Here, what is the function here? Function of t is nothing but f of t is sine 2t. So first we have to find the Laplace transform of function of t, which is sine 2t. We have already studied one formula for Laplace transform of what? Sine at. What is the Laplace transform of sine at formula? It is a by s square plus a square, where a is nothing but this a. Okay. So here what is a? 2. So Laplace transform of this will become how much? 2 divided by s square plus 2 square, which is equal to 2 divided by s square plus 4. After finding Laplace transform of f of t, now what I need? I need to find the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t into sine 2t, right? Which is equal to 2 divided by s square plus 4. But I cannot use here s square. What I have to use here? As I said before, that s has to be converted into s minus a. What is a? We have to now forget about this sine 2t. Don't get confused here. Here also at is there, but we should not take at when we are introducing e power at. When we are writing the e power at function, always remember here whatever a is there, that you have to take. E power at, that a we have to take. It will has to be converted into s minus. What is a value? Minus 3. Be careful. Be careful. Very important. It is minus 3. So that's why we have to put here minus 3. So s has to be converted into s plus 3. Simple. So what will happen over here? So it will be s plus 3 square. Right? Now simplify this thing. What will happen? 2 divided by s square plus 2 into s plus 3 square 9 plus 4 equal to 2 divided by s square plus 2s plus 13. Final answer. Now let us go for the third problem here. Again e power at is there, then some function of t is there. Always first you have to find the function of t Laplace transform. So first we are taking what? The cos h hyperbolic function has come into 3t. So we have already studied what the formula for Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic function at, which is nothing but equal to what, s divided by s square minus a square. This is the formula. That same formula you have to apply. What is a value? 3. So here it will be s divided by s square minus 3 square, which is equal to s divided by s square minus 9. Now we have to find the Laplace transform of e power 4t into cos h3t. So the thing will change. What will change? S has to be changed. Now here s has to be changed into s minus a. So what a, which a we have to take? Not this a. Remember, we should not take cos after finding cos h3t. Leave that thing. Only this function you have to take here. Okay. Here e power at form is there, e power at. This a has to be considered while considering this. So it is nothing but 4 here. So s has to be considered as what? S minus 4. So what will happen to the equation? S divided by s square minus 9 was there, but we should not take s. S is being considered as what? S minus 4 divided by s minus 4 square. So this is the formula we have got. Now I expand the denominator part. So s minus 4 as it is. Denominator it will be s square minus 2 into a into b, which is 8s, plus 4 square is what, 16, minus 9, which is equal to s minus 4 divided by s square minus 8s. 16 minus 9 is 7, so plus 7. So here we are taking the fourth question. Here it is e power minus t into cos square 3t. So this part we have already done, cos square values. We will try to analyze here also. So cos square 3t, first we have to find the Laplace transform of what? Function of t we have to find. What is function of t? This part, this I will first find. So Laplace transform of cos square 3t. Now we don't have any direct formula. We have only formula for cos 80, but we don't have for cos square 80. So we have to convert into other formulas. As we know that cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this, cos square theta will be equal to what? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So similarly here, what will happen? Cos square 3t will become Laplace transform of 1 plus cos 2. What is theta here? Theta is nothing but 3t divided by 2. So simplifying, so Laplace transform of 1 plus cos 6t divided by 2. Now again, we'll split up this part. So Laplace transform of 1 by 2, you can take it outside, that is a constant value. So I'll write 1 by 2 first. Then we can take Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of what? Cos 6t. Very simple. Now Laplace transform of 1, what is the formula? So Laplace transform of 1 is what? 1 by s. From where I got? We have already studied that Laplace transform of a is equal to, a constant is equal to what? A by s. A is nothing but a constant. Here it is 1, so 1 by s. Plus Laplace transform of cos 80. We have already studied what is the Laplace transform of cos 80 formula. It is nothing but s by s square plus a square. So it will be s by s square plus a square. A value is what? 6. 6 square how much? 36. Directly I'll write. Now we have to simplify this part. Cross multiply, butterfly method, right? So what will happen? 1 by 2 outside, s square plus 36 into 1 plus s into s is s square divided by denominator s into s square plus 36. Right? We got this one. Numerator part, if you see, so numerator part, if you see, what will happen? So 1 by 2 into 2s square plus 36 divided by s into s square plus 36. From numerator I can take what? 2 common, right? So 2 outside, s square plus 2 18s are 36 divided by s into s square plus 36. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is the answer you are getting? S square plus 18 divided by s into s square plus 36. Now this is not the final answer, don't get confused here. This is a part of the question, right? See, we found out only this part, function of t part, which is cos square 3t Laplace transform we found out. But we have to multiply with what? E power minus t also. So what change will happen here? Let us try to analyze. So I need to find the Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos square 3t, right? This is just Laplace transform of cos square 3t. So what change will happen? S will be converted into what? S minus a. What is a here? A we have to see for what? E power 80 a we have to take. What is e power 80 here? E power minus t. So what is the coefficient of t? Minus 1. So s has to be converted into s minus minus 1. Very important. So s has to be converted into s plus 1. Whatever is there in this, we have to convert that into s plus 1. So s has to be converted into s plus 1 square plus 18 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 1 square plus 36. Put one bracket there, it is very important. So this is the answer we are getting. Now we will simplify this part. How to simplify? Expand. A plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus 18 divided by s plus 1 as it is into inside the bracket I will simplify. What will happen? S square plus 2s plus 1 plus 36, right? So how much you are getting? S square plus 2s plus 19 divided by s plus 1 into s square plus 2s plus 37. This is the final answer. Whole problem will take and conclude. Okay. So here, first you have to find function of t. What is the function of t here? Whichever is sitting beside e power 80. So root t is sitting. So we have to first find Laplace transform of root t. How to find? We have already discussed in that previous video. So this can be rewritten as what? T power half. Now as we have studied that Laplace transform of t power n is equal to gamma function n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. See, gamma why we are taking? Because here power is nothing but a fraction value. Otherwise we should have taken n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Okay. So here what will happen? So this can be written as what? Gamma function of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power 1 by 2 plus 1. So here we have already studied the formulas of gamma functions. What is the formula? Whenever you are getting gamma of n plus 1, which will be equal to n into gamma of n. So here the same thing. So here 1 by 2, n is nothing but 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2 whole divided by s power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, right? So which is equal to half into gamma of 1 by 2. Again one more formula you have to remember, that gamma of 1 by 2 formula is nothing but root pi. Okay. So here what will happen? Root pi you have to write divided by s power 3 by 2. So if you didn't understand this simplification of t power half Laplace transform, kindly watch the previous video. Okay. There we have done many problems based on t power n. So this will be root pi divided by 2. You can take it the denominator 2 into s power 3 by 2. So this part we got. This is not the final answer. We have got only Laplace transform of f of t, which is nothing but what? T power half. Now we have to multiply with e power t. Now we have to find Laplace transform of what? E power t into root t, right? So root t already we have found out. E power t, what is the change will happen? S will be converted into s minus a. Now what is a? We have to see the e power 80a. This is a, nothing but this thing. So e power 80, you can see what is the coefficient of t? It is 1. So s has to be converted into s minus 1. So what change will happen? Root by s it is 2 into s has to be written as s minus 1 power 3 by 2. So this is the final answer.